Welcome back, everyone. If you're passionate about motorcycles and the thrill of off-road adventures, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review or deep dive into your favorite bikes. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Honda CRF300L, one of the most anticipated dual-sport bikes in the market. Whether you're a seasoned off-roading pro or a beginner looking for your next adventure bike, the CRF300L is a machine that promises to be a game-changer. So, let's get into the details. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, Honda's CRF series has been one of the most well-respected names in the world of dual-sport motorcycles for many years. They've earned a reputation for creating rugged, reliable, and highly capable bikes that can handle everything from tight trails to long road stretches. The 2025 Honda CRF300L is no exception, taking everything that made the CRF250L such a success and improving upon it with more power, better handling, and even more versatility. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CRF300L is an updated 286cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is a significant step up from the previous 250cc power plant, delivering more torque and horsepower, which translates into a more exciting and capable ride. With a peak power output of around 27 horsepower, the CRF300L is not just about cruising along. It's about performance when you need it, whether you're climbing steep hills, navigating technical trails, or hitting those open roads. What's impressive about this engine is the way it delivers power. The CRF300L features a smooth and responsive throttle, making it easy for both novice and experienced riders to handle in a variety of conditions. Honda has worked hard to strike the right balance between power and control, so even in tight corners or muddy conditions, you can confidently open up the throttle and power through. The bike also features a 6-speed transmission, which offers plenty of versatility, whether you're tackling trails, commuting, or doing long-distance touring. The gearing is designed to be ideal for a wide range of terrains, giving you the ability to handle both technical off-road sections and highway cruising with ease. Suspension and handling. When it comes to off-road performance, suspension is everything. The CRF300L's suspension system has received a solid update for 2025, with an upgraded 43mm inverted front fork and a Pro-Link rear shock. These updates allow for better travel, making the bike more capable in rough conditions. Whether you're taking on rocky trails, gravel roads, or even sand dunes, the CRF300L's suspension ensures that the bike will absorb bumps and keep you in control. The front fork offers 9.8 inches of travel, while the rear shock provides 9.4 inches, which is a pretty good amount for a dual-sport bike in this category. These long suspension strokes make sure you can handle obstacles without bottoming out, even when the trail gets really rough. Honda has also worked hard to improve the overall handling of the CRF300L, giving it a more nimble and agile feel. With a revised geometry, the bike feels stable at high speeds and more responsive at lower speeds. Whether you're tackling tight trails or open fields, you'll feel confident making quick adjustments and changes in direction. Brakes and safety features. For off-road bikes, having the right braking system is crucial. The 2025 Honda CRF300L comes equipped with a set of high-performance disc brakes that provide exceptional stopping power, even in challenging conditions. The front features a 256mm disc with a twin-piston caliper, while the rear uses a 220mm disc, providing a balanced feel for the bike. These brakes are designed to deliver strong, progressive braking, allowing you to control your speed when you're going down steep hills or needing to make sudden stops on tricky terrain. Additionally, the CRF300L comes with Honda's combined anti-lock braking system CABS, which helps reduce the chances of locking up the wheels when braking on slippery surfaces like mud, gravel, or wet rocks. This system gives you added peace of mind, especially when you're out on challenging trails or navigating unpredictable conditions. Ergonomics and comfort. When you're out riding for long periods of time, whether on road or off-road, comfort and ergonomics play a huge role in your experience. Honda has made sure the CRF300L is comfortable for all-day rides, with an updated seat design and more refined ergonomics. The seat is lower than previous models, offering a more comfortable seating position that accommodates riders of various heights. This improvement makes the bike more accessible to shorter riders, while also ensuring taller riders don't feel cramped. The handlebars are designed to offer a more natural riding position, reducing arm fatigue, and allowing for better control over long distances. The bike's footpeg placement has also been adjusted, providing better leverage when standing during off-road riding. Overall, the CRF300L feels comfortable whether you're sitting or standing, which is essential when you're out on rugged trails for hours at a time. Design and build quality. The 2025 CRF300L has received some updates in terms of its styling, but it still maintains the rugged, durable design that you expect from a Honda. The bike is lightweight, weighing in at around 320 pounds, which makes it easy to handle both on and off the road. This is a big plus for those who need to maneuver the bike in tight spots or pick it up after a tip over. Honda has also improved the build quality with high-quality plastics and a sturdy frame that can take a beating. The CRF300L is designed to withstand the tough conditions of off-road riding while still being easy to maintain. The airbox and filter are placed in a way that minimizes dust and dirt buildup, which helps keep the bike running smoothly over long rides. The bike's fuel tank holds about 2.1 gallons, which provides a decent range for off-road adventures. The fuel efficiency is also impressive, offering around 70 to 75 miles per gallon, so you'll be able to ride for hours without worrying about running out of gas. Technology and instrumentation. For 2025, Honda has equipped the CRF300L with a new, more advanced LCD instrument cluster. This display shows everything you need to know at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. It's clear, easy to read, and designed to be durable, even in bright sunlight. There's also a gear indicator and a digital tachometer, which gives you more information about the bike's performance. One notable feature is the trip meter, which helps you keep track of your distances while out on long rides. It's a simple yet effective addition that makes it easier to monitor your rides and plan your fuel stops. Price and value. The 2025 Honda CRF300L is expected to be priced competitively within the dual sport category, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable and capable bike without breaking the bank. The base price is expected to start around $5,500, which is a reasonable price for a bike of this caliber. Given its performance, versatility, and Honda's legendary reliability, the CRF300L offers excellent value. If you're an adventure rider or someone who's looking for a bike that can handle both off-road and on-road duties, this bike is a solid investment. So, there you have it. The 2025 Honda CRF300L has everything you need in a dual-sport motorcycle: more power, better suspension, and improved handling. Whether you're an experienced off-road rider or just getting started, this bike is built to deliver a smooth and capable riding experience. With its updated engine, advanced suspension system, and excellent ergonomics, the CRF300L is a bike that truly stands out in the dual-sport market. What do you think of the 2025 Honda CRF300L? Would you consider adding it to your stable of motorcycles? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle open.